Hello everyone, welcome back to Food Fiesta. Today I am going to share a very famous recipe of Bombay style tawa pulao. Whenever you are in a hurry or if you don't know exactly what to cook, the humble tawa pulao always comes to the rescue. But before starting, do subscribe to my channel Food Fiesta and press the bell icon. Now let's have a look at the ingredients. For the ingredients, the whole masala, we will need 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon zeera, 4 to 5 cloves and black pepper, and 1-inch long cinnamon stick. 3 tablespoon pav bhaji masala. Now this is the highlight of our tawa pulao. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon zeera powder, red chili and Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon, and crushed ginger and garlic. Now here I have taken few paneer. I have already added black pepper, red chili powder and salt to it. 1 tablespoon green peas. And for the tempering, 10 to 15 curry leaves, 2 green chilies, 1 small red chili, chopped onions 1, yellow bell pepper, diced onions, French beans 1 tablespoon, carrot 1 tablespoon, and chopped tomatoes 1 tablespoon. Cashews 7 to 8, coriander leaves to garnish. And we will also add mix of oil and ghee 2 tablespoons each, and salt to taste. I have soaked 3 cups of rice 1 hour before and kept it aside. Now let's start the process. I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil and I have added all the whole garam masalas. After a few minutes, add crushed ginger and garlic. Give it a nice stir until the raw smell of ginger and garlic vanishes. Once the color starts changing, now add chopped onion, curry leaves, green chili and red chili. Give it a nice stir until the onions turn translucent. Now add in chopped tomatoes and let them cook until they become soft. Stir it nicely and keep it to cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. Add cashew nuts now and the marinated paneer pieces. Marinating paneer gives a nice flavor to the tawa pulao. Keep on stirring it. Now it's time to add the veggies, carrots, French beans, diced onions and the yellow capsicums together. Combine all the ingredients together and stir it well. Add the green peas. You can add any vegetables or skip any vegetables. It's absolutely on you. Add the dry masalas, haldi powder, jeera powder, Kashmiri red chili powder and the normal red chili powder. Kashmiri red chili powder will give it a nice color. Add 1.5 teaspoon of salt as per your taste. And finally add our highlight ingredient, which is the pav bhaji masala. First add 2 tablespoons and check the spiciness. Add coriander leaves and mix it together. Look how beautiful and how colorful the tawa pulao looks. Now add in the soaked rice. It's about 3 cups of rice. You can also replace this with basmati rice. Combine the rice together with the masala and all the ingredients. Give it a nice stir in order to combine it. Now add 400 ml of water. We are adding double the water to the rice. Once you see the boils coming up, You can see that the boils have started coming up. Cover it with the lid. After 10 minutes, open the lid and check whether the rice is done or no. If you need some more water, you can add it. I have added around 1 cup of water more. Once the rice is done, just stir it with a ladle so that each and every grain is separated. As you can see, tawa pulao is ready now. Add 1 tablespoon ghee before serving it and also add a squeeze of 1 lemon. It looks absolutely delicious and colorful. If you want to make it for your kids, you can decrease the quantity of pav bhaji masala as it has a lot of spiciness. You can also adjust the other masalas accordingly. Look how super tasty the Bombay style tawa pulao looks. Serve it with raita, papad or salad. Hope you like my recipe. Do try it. See you next time with another interesting recipe.